Every day when people show up, it's honestly like shocking to me because we started this and it was really just something that we did at home. It makes you very humbled and grateful that people care enough to come see you.
Y'all enjoy everything. Thank you.
Farmer in the Dell is a southern bakery located in Snow Hill, North Carolina.
And Hi Ho the Dairy-O, Farmer in the Dale, which gets its name in part from the names of the couple that created it, has a full parking lot these days, even though it's not exactly on a major highway.
A lot of people will say that you're not going to find us unless you're looking for us.
It's kind of in the middle of nowhere, so we were kind of like, where is this place? But it's very cool, local, family vibe.
They have the best breakfast that I've had in a long time. I try my best to get here at least every other week.
And when she does, she usually orders one of the most popular items on the menu, the bold and bodacious
Biscuit bomb.
Biscuit bomb.
Biscuit bomb.
Biscuit bomb.
We never thought that we would hear so many people say biscuit bombs.
But say it, Farmer in the Dale customers do, and frequently. Unlike traditional biscuits with a top and bottom piece, biscuit bombs include the dough and fillings in one perfect package.
We kind of just said when you eat it, it's an explosion of flavor in your mouth, so it just made sense for it to be called a biscuit bomb. So we do a version that has just cheese in it. We do a version that has bacon and cheese, one that has sausage and cheese, and then we do a cinnamon one.
While biscuit bombs have become best known, they're hardly the only mainstays on the menu.
Grits were probably some of the best grits I've ever had. Very creamy, very cheesy.
The grit bowl is actually grits, and you can get chicken or sausage, bacon, or just plain grits and cheese.
It's very airy. All the cheese was in there and a lot of bacon, and there's like this little puff of air around it. It's really good.
We do other savory treats like chicken minis, which is buttermilk fried chicken. We also have a lot of sweets with cookies.
We are known for our fried pies, our Apple Jacks. We're known for our homemade sweets. We have a 10-layer chocolate cake that is really popular. It's very rare that someone comes here and just gets a grit bowl or a biscuit bomb. You always have to have a little sweet side with it.
I ordered the Oreo fudge cookie. It was amazing. It might be the best cookie I've ever had. It's really good.
We put our focus on making things from scratch. So I always tell people the hardest way to do something is the way we're going to do it. We're not going to go buy frozen biscuits and pre-grated cheese. We're going to make our biscuits from scratch. We're going to grate our cheese. We're going to bake our own bacon.
The focus on freshness that Stacy and Zach Bales apply to their ingredients is also present in their menus.
Yeah, we change the menu every week. The only thing that stays the same are biscuit bombs, fried pies, chicken minis, and a few other things. It's like coming to a family dinner. We treat everybody like family. Farmer in the Dale is made unique by the atmosphere and the people that come and how they're part of our family.
A feeling that even extends into the dining area.
I like the layout. It's like just two long farmhouse tables, and everybody just sits together and kind of eats and talks.
We like to do family style eating, so you'll get to sit with people that you don't know, but it's a nice way to create community and make a few friends while you're eating your breakfast.
We really love Eastern North Carolina, and we love Greene County, and we're just grateful that we can help attract attention to this wonderful place.
It's definitely a treat for people to come, and it's a little something different that maybe they don't get every day.
Farmer in the Dale Bakery is at 771 Middle School Road in Snow Hill, and they're open Tuesday through Friday from 6:30 a.m. to 11 a.m. and Saturday from 8 a.m. to noon. For more information, give them a call at 252-714-9225 or go online to farmerinthedale.com.